What's your name and the name of your company?
Hi, my name is Alistair Farquharson. I'm the CTO of SOA Software.
Great, Alistair. There's a lot of challenges for cloud computing adoption in enterprises. Why are they slow to adopt, and what's your opinion on that?
I think there's two key reasons why the adoption is a bit slow. I think the first one is connectivity.
Okay.
I think the second one is probably security. And what I mean by that is, on the connectivity front, you're actually trying to extend the boundary of your enterprise out into the cloud. So if you're looking at a PaaS solution, leveraging a platform as a service or leveraging software as a service, you're trying to extend the boundary of your enterprise to include the services and platforms that they're offering. So what you need to be able to do is you need to somehow create a connectivity solution. And when you get down into the nitty-gritty of it, looking at the security standards and the technical implementations of that, it can be quite complex, and there might be reservations internally about exposing your API or connecting your network up to somebody else or some other service provider, especially in traditional enterprises where they're used to connecting to other data centers, but those data centers are basically part of their walled garden. So if you're looking at connecting to a platform as a service offering or a software as a service offering, it's a bit more challenging, both from a legal and process and internal sort of culture perspective. On the security side, not only do you have to secure that connection, but I think on the security side, the problem of identity is critical. You need to somehow figure out how you're actually going to share your internal identities with this platform or software as a service offering.
Great. Okay, so can you give an example of a case study where SOA software has been used to solve an enterprise cloud adoption, or an enterprise has used SOA software to do something?
Yeah, sure. Well, we're in the API management business, which means we offer API management as a platform. And we have a particular customer, one that comes to mind, who is actually leveraging OpenID internally and the capabilities that we provide to allow you to expose an OpenID endpoint, and using that to expose their internal identity and access management systems to the platform that we offer in the cloud. So we do install something on the enterprise which actually secures the channel and expose the identities in a standards-based way so that our platform, which is in the cloud, can actually leverage it.
Great. So what's your advice to enterprises looking to speed up cloud adoption? Real quick on that one.
I think that enterprises really need to get in front of their own internal processes and standards. They need to figure out what are their standard ways and models and connectivity patterns within the enterprise. I think that they need to adopt a certain set of security specifications and figure out how they're going to get those pre-approved before they start talking to SaaS and PaaS vendors.
Excellent. So to close, give me a brief background of you and your company, your Twitter ID maybe, and what does your company do overall?
Sure, my Twitter ID is AFARQU. We also at SOA Software as well as SOA Software Open. And we're actually in the business of API management, which means we secure, manage, provision APIs for the enterprise.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
All right.